We are here. We are here. We are here. One is amazing day. Okay, everyone. This is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer: I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up GHC. Take a look at what's going on in the market. We are in the monthly time frame. Take a look at what price is doing. So currently at price, we have a bullish candle, which is a hammer. So on this monthly candle, if this closes out above this second to last candle, third to last candle, and fourth to last candle, this market is working its way up to that high. It's still active, so we got to see what it's going to do. So look at the overall structure. Price goes up, we're looking for price come up to this area of highs. Price goes down, we're looking for price to come down to this low. We can see the price is like above, I see like a midpoint line. So if we gauge the top to the bottom, the midpoint will be here. So it's like on second level highs. Okay, so we got to figure out what's going on in that area. So you got that market. For right now, we're going to move our area of support up higher. So we could clearly see price came from some type of double top. Market spiked up once in white, came back in red, kept us up in third time in white, pushed down in red, got that double top. Market came back down to that midpoint, or near that midpoint, created that push down to the bottom, and market look like it's coming up from a single bottom. Headed down to the weekly time frame, what do we see? You can clearly see multiple touches at the top. Weekly time frame, price action before price is at the high. Showing here shows some type of triple top. On the monthly time frame, it did show a double top. We had that first leg, market pushed up for that second, market pushed up for that third, came with a retest. We got about 4 pushes to the top. Market pushed down once, twice, 3 times, 4, overall cap. So consolidation. So we should be able to find a pattern in that market, which is multiple structures in that area, which is a W, first, second, third, fourth. We also have another W in this area here, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so we have a support W, we landed on support side by side, and we have a decline W, which the market came down to area support, and the market pushed up. Down to the daily time frame. You can see them. We can clearly see the patterns in that area of the market created that W's, that area of support before the market came up. So you can see that last area before price was double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest in red. Market pushed up in white. So right now we're looking for price to engulf. So if price close out above this area here or higher, then that market's working its way up. Okay, it can come down for a slight retest somewhere in this area here. We go over the price action. It doesn't push up in white further, green in your screen, then we'll see market starts to consolidate somewhere in this area, come back down and retest, create that momentum. We could be looking for a push up. It breaks back down, so you already know what the market's doing. Probably doing a single top or doing some type of double top that's going to push that market down. Last but not least, the market can consolidate on that daily time frame. Headed down to the floor. Okay, so all we doing right now is literally filling the blanks, and we can see what structure that we was at before. We can see these multiple areas of support that was in this area of pushed up for that W. So on a daily time frame, I think we've seen a double bottom. On this time frame, we think it's more like a triple bottom. So if something spiked down once, twice, 3 times, spiked down again, got a retest, then market pushed up to that high of that midpoint. Price action candle in that area is the break. So we're looking for that market to retest. See if that market's going to shoot up further. If not, consolidate. If not, break. Market come back down. Headed down to 3. Okay, so we are price action is a doji. So we got that Side by side consolidation could be coming up unless we get the engulfing pattern. So we're going to see a breakout of this area here, the highs and the lows. If not, the market's going to be consolidated. Headed down to 2 is the same. Headed down to the 1 week step. You see that spike up? I think it's called the evening star. So 3, 2, 1, 45, 30, all identifying the same thing. 15 side by side. Now we can clearly see that side by side consolidation on the 15-minute time frame at price. So you got that side by side candle. Price action look like it is golfing the previous candle. Market could be coming down to maybe about a midpoint to work its way back up. If not, coming back down all the way for that retest of that resistance line that we created. So on the 15 minutes, this could be the market breaking, coming back down for the retest. And we'll see if you keep on watching the 15-minute. Get it down to the 5. So what the 5-minute did, we received some type of incline double top, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market pushed back up again with another spike. So now we got to wait in this area to see what's going to happen after this candle. So if it's a big green candle, we know that market pushing up. If it closes, overrides all this area here. If it's a big red one and it pushes down below and it closes out, we know it's probably going to head back down to a red line. If not, it'll just continue to consolidate in my resistance and support lines that we created on the lower time frames. 5 and 3 minute, identifying the same thing, 1 minute as well. So market's on that retest. We got to see what's going to happen at that retest on the 15, 5, 3 minute, and 1 minute. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review Forex pattern T sheet when market is creating patterns in the market. We got to figure out what we're going to do. So right now we look at the double top. Market started at a low, pushed up to a high, wasn't able to break the resistance, came back to the midpoint, pushed up back up to the high again, wasn't able to break, came back down. That's how we received the M pattern. So we just got to wait around and see what's going to happen next after the M. Very important information, guys. Please study and review breakout and retest strategy. When the market is in at the low and is working its way up for that uptrend, and we see them areas of break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Once the market breaks and retests, we're looking for the engulfing pattern, right, that pushes the market up. And we see one here that pushes the market up to the high. Once the market came back to retest this area of resistance, we look for engulfing pattern. We got an engulfing pattern here, or this one here. This candle engulfed the previous dojis, even the wicks. So that's identification that market can go up. Got clear identification. The price action highs of that area. The price did engulf that overall section of that support. Push that market up. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. GHC stock.